Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever long form YouTube video. If you're coming from TikTok, thank you for the support on the recreation I did of this Tyla makeup look. It hit 50k views and I thought to just sit down and show you guys how I did it. The look is heavy on aesthetics, it has rhinestones and also that nose highlight. If you want to see how I achieved all of that, just continue watching this video.
Before we get into any products, I always start by cleaning my face. I use a wipe to get rid of any oils just to be safe. Tyla's base looks like it's damp, so I would love to use a glowy primer, but since I don't have that, I'll be using this LA Girl Face Finity primer. I've been using it for a while now and I love the way it feels on my skin and it gives it a smooth finish. For foundation, I'm using this Avor foundation in the shade 30. I'm keeping it light. I think for this look, less is more. It's really the eyes that pop. For blush, I'm going in with this cream blush palette first. I'll be using a shade that has a bit of warmth. Now for concealer, Tyla's under eye doesn't look that bright, so I'm going in with this concealer from Adventure Makeup in the shade Warm Nude. I think it's a shade lighter than my actual skin tone. I'm using the outer corner to give my face a natural lift. I'm blending upwards towards my temple to create that eye shape she has even before we touch the eyeshadow. I'm going in with this black opal foundation, which I also use as a bronzer. I'm placing it slightly higher than my cheekbones, along my hairline, and down the sides of the bridge of my nose. I'm setting the areas where I highlighted earlier with my concealer, but first I'm using this powder palette from Zika Cosmetics before going in with the setting powder. Next, I'm using my powder shade to blend the rest of my face. Now we're moving into the most important part, the eyes. I'm going in with this gorgeous pink base. I'm literally packing this right onto my eyelids. For shimmers, I'll be using pink, green, and gold. They look white, but when they're applied, they turn a certain color. I've forgotten what they're called actually. But yeah, you'll see. Now that the eyeshadow is done, it's time for lashes. Tyla's look is very cat eye, so we want the lashes to be longest at the outer corners. Now to really define the eyes, I'm going in with a black gel eyeliner. I think this one is from Kiss Beauty. Now for the step that ties the aesthetic together, I'm taking the pink eyeshadow, the one I used earlier, and I'm applying it at the sides of my nose from the inner corners of my eye downwards. Once that is done, I'm going in with the pink shimmer. I think I did too much there. I'm applying it right in the middle with a brush to make it seamless. For the brows, I'm just going to brush it up with a hair gel and conceal underneath. Next, I'm taking that same pink shimmer and putting it underneath my brow bone. Crystals time. I'll be using these tiny rhinestones and lash glue. I'll be placing them randomly around the inner and outer corner and also down where I applied the green shimmer. It's a bit tedious, to be honest. To finish off the look, we'll be doing a brown and nude lip combo, starting off with the brown lip liner. And going in with a nude lip liner for the middle. Then sealing everything up with lip gloss. So this is the final look. I would love to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Should I do more of this, or if you have any suggestions for a makeup look that I should recreate next, please let me know. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my makeup journey, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.